Hello, my name is Ala. The e-portfolio that I am viewing is Miss Megan, who is a professional teacher. I picked this professional teacher portfolio because I found it relevant to my degree program, which is early childhood education. Scrolling through this site is easy and straightforward, as I am observing. Uh, Clicking on the resume tab takes you directly to Miss Megan's resume and letter of recommendation. And same thing with other tabs on the website. I also like how she is posting photos for her classroom um, activities under each tab, like the one over here, which is math tab, and how she is focusing on each subject separately. And also, I love how she is focusing on technology in classroom, and that is one of the main reasons why I picked her professional portfolio, because the most reason that I'm taking this course is to help me improve with my classroom technology. One of the things that I may change in her website is I may use the first page as a summary for the website, and I have another tab that info tab that have information about her. I like the layout and design of the website. I highly recommend it for new teachers and future teacher as a reference. Thank you.